satellite scan.
Papa Mark Sierra 966, blue Opel Corsa, vehicle still sought. Sorry, I had a mark break there. It is Papa Mark Sierra 966, blue Opel Corsa. It is still sought. Pretoria Road, direction Fairleads.
Behind it.
Copy, they said they're still behind the vehicle.
In that direction.
Copy, I'm now on Pretoria Road, direction Fairleads. I'm heading there now. I just want to find out exactly where PHP control is.
Perfect. Just keep us posted, thank you.
Copy, will do. PHP control Sierra Tango 1.
Same for PHP control.
Yeah, PHP control, I want to go give your vehicle some assistance. Can I get a 03 on them?
Yeah, they just passed there by Petite. They was the 4-way or the 3-way stops there on Petite on Pretoria Road.
Okay, monitored, I'm 2 miles out.
Okay.
How's it? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm heading into Fairleads now. We got a positive on SNIPR. Hold on. Okay, case number. Okay, vehicle is sought for theft in the Alberton area. It's got a case number, everything. It's a priority 1. Yeah. Pardon? I'm going into Petite now. I'm passing. PHP is behind the vehicle, luckily, but we're passing that 3-way stop here. Okay, I'm coming past the roadblock now. I've still got no visual on the reaction officer or the vehicle.
Yeah, that's affirmative. The idea of the 4-way crossing there at Bloemfontein currently.
Yeah, monitored, I'm right behind them. Your PHP control, just confirm with your vehicle, I'm right behind them.
Yeah, it's affirmative, I just spoke to him now.
Okay, copy. I'm just waiting for the other 2 units to arrive, and then we'll see if we can have a conversation with them. Sierra Tango 2, this is 11203.
Yeah, I'm on route, I'm coming on to Victoria right now.
Okay, copy. We've managed to intercept the vehicle just past Welbekend police station.
Copy, I'll see you now.
Okay, copy. November Juliet 1, Sierra Tango 1.
Send your message.
Okay, SAPS is taking over. We are escorting the vehicle back to Welbekend police station. We have just been asked to help escort the vehicle back to the police station. Sergeant Vic said that he will send us the 13 number once all affidavits have been made.
13 and the 14, because if they're going to detain the driver, then we need a 14 as well. That's the cell register.
Okay, monitored. I will talk to Sergeant Vic as soon as I get to the police station.
Thank you, good job guys.
Thank you, November Juliet 1.
Introducing Southern Africa's leading and fastest growing security solution provider. Coupled with a growing national network of strategically placed cameras and a variety of partners across many different industries, all number plates that pass SNIPR's cameras are recorded and cross-referenced. All vehicles listed as suspicious or wanted create an immediate alert. The vehicle is stopped and the suspect apprehended. Join forces with us in combating crime today. Contact the SNIPR team for more information.